Hello, this is automatic N95 mask machine. This is machine speed is 70 to 80 piece in 1 minute. This machine is 11 piece for motor and 3 piece step motor. Okay, we can check 拿一个那个样板过来。We can check the finish sample. Okay, we can check the finish sample. Finish sample mask like this. Okay, this is finish sample. You can see. Okay, we can try. 过来戴一下。We can try. Now in China it's very cold. Today is December 20. To Merry Christmas. Okay, this machine is without the KN95 mask logo. We also can put a logo in both sides, no problem. Or you need printing, no problem. Okay, we can see the welding action, very good. And it is special design with the nose head. You can likely, this design is very good. You can see it is very soft and feel good. And for the mask shape, you can give us the mask jewelry. We can make the mold for you. If you make the mold for you, need the 7 days to finish machine order. Okay, let's start to introduce this machine. This machine total is 9.6 meter length and 2.2 high, and for the wide is 1.2 meter wide. This machine is used for piece ultrasonic. This is ultrasonic is for the mask age sealing for this. And this mold is used the special steel material and with a long life. It is work very stable. And also total machine we use 12个高强力电风扇是吗？ We use the high, very strong, fan, tall piece fan, and we use the 11 piece for motor. 汇川 for motor. 汇川 brand is the #1 brand in China. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is very special. Also, this is the Huichuan brand running parts. Step motor, 3-piece step motor. And this also the Huichuan is work together with this part. Okay, we can. And this machine special is if your system have problem, we can put the USB driver to here and update the system just in 1 minute. It is very quickly and without any problem. Also, this machine special design is for this part. This part is for the mask folding, middle folding. And the special design is for this. If you just need to adjust this knob. No need to adjust any other part like this. That's why because this part is total whole part, and you can see this part is out and easy to find the middle position. Like it is already, the head is here, so it is very easy to middle position, to find the middle position. Just adjust here. Also, you can see our machine can use the flat ear loop or round ear loop. This is no problem. For the inner, this is the inner nose pin. Okay, let's check the ear loop welding part. This is whole part, and this machine is different for the low speed machine. Is like this. This ear loop welding part is this clip and this clip, not the part rotating for the ear loop. The low speed, like the 50 piece 1 minute or 30 piece 1 minute, and for this clip, it can adjust in the touch screen. It is easy to rotate to find the point to welding. So the welding action is very good. It is very easy to adjust. And for this part, special design is for the very small fan. This two small fan. This small fan just used in our machine. That's why we use this, because this is high strong fan. It is can let the machine welding part can easy to be cold, and so the ear loop will work well. Not without some ear loop maybe separate to mask. Also, for our this mask machine, we can use for a flat ear loop or a round ear loop. Why? You can see our design. If here without a ear loop, it will warn you. It will have a sensor here. Also, we also use this design, and ear loop can here. No matter what shape ear loop look like, but at the ending part input to the welding, it is straight. You can see it is very straight. This is our special design. You can see both two sides is very straight. You can see. Okay. Next one is the the mask folding part. Mask folding part, you can see. You can see here. Also, this is our machine special design. We use the high strong fan on the top of the blade. It is easy to be cold. Also, we put 2-piece fan under the blade, so it is easy to be cold. Okay, next part is our nose pin import. Okay, it is special. It is special fitting part. It is use the nose pin running here, and to pull use the part to pull the nose pin in here, and so the nose pin length will be very exactly, not too short or too long. Okay, we can check. This is our machine feeding parts. It is with the 6-piece roller. You can produce 4 layer or to 6 layer. And this machine special design is for the tension control. We add this part to control the tension. It's the fabric. Okay, check. Yeah, this part can let the fabric running very smooth, and the length and the will be every piece mask length is the same, and the fabric whether the big roller or small roller, it can running very smooth and very good. Okay, you can check. This is now pin feeding part. Okay, you can check. You can see this. We use this part to move the ear loop, and it is very silent. It is much better than this like this. Thank you very much.